Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing the battery pack. This prevents shorting. Once done, flip the controller and remove the 5 visible torque screws, then the hidden screw under the label. Use a thin pry tool to lift the rear shell slowly. Move methodically and keep screws in a labeled tray so you know which hole they came from. Make sure to work on a static-free surface. This first step exposes the internal frame and readies you for detailed disassembly. Once the shell is off, identify and disconnect the battery connector and ribbon cable. Lift straight up to avoid tearing. Next, remove the small Phillips screws securing the RF board and carefully lift the board out to reveal the thumbstick and trigger modules. You should now remove thumbstick modules by unclipping their retaining clips and then free the trigger assemblies. Note spring orientation as you go. Make sure to take photos at each stage so reassembly is straightforward, and you understand why each component sits where it does. To finish, remove any remaining shields and take out the face buttons and D-pad. Clean the contact surfaces with 90% isopropyl and a lint-free swab. Replacing worn silicone pads often fixes unresponsive inputs. Before closing, reseat every ribbon cable and battery connector, then do a quick power test with batteries installed but screws loose so you can iterate. If a button sticks, check that the spring is seated correctly and the contact surface is clean. Reflow or replace the pad if needed to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.